Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today I will do technical analysis of Luna coin and we will discuss its price prediction in future too. Terra Luna is up 70% from its swing low on May 21. Is the Luna bottom in? We review the Luna chart and make some Luna price predictions. Using the Fibonacci retracement tool to attempt some Luna technical analysis, we may find support at the 0.618 level around $0.00015 before another move to the upside. Currently, the Luna price today of $0.00017 has broken down from its symmetrical triangle trading range over the weekend. Terra Luna price prediction. Luna now has a hyperinflated circulating supply of 6.5 trillion, changing the potential ceiling price of Luna. Personally, I think it is very unlikely we will even ever see $0.01 again. However, a trading setup and short-term buying opportunities still exist, and we could potentially see a 3 to 5x gain from the current Luna price levels. Using the Fibonacci extension tool from the swing high at $0.000458 on May 4th, we can assume that both a bullish and paramagnetic target for Terra could be around $0.000681. Before this particular level of resistance, we could also hit lower Fibonacci levels such as the 1.272, giving us a Luna price target of approximately $0.00055. If in the next few months Bitcoin decides to revisit its 200-week weekly moving average and test lower levels around $20,000 to $23,000, the Luna price will also drop to lower level such as $0.409. The overall Luna price forecast will also depend on the rest of the crypto market. Will Luna go up in 2022? Every market is moved by emotion, and currently the macro trend is down. All bear markets eventually turn into bullish markets and vice versa in bear and bullish cycles. I believe after the Terra crash event, we could potentially see the bottom soon priced in for the entire market. Similar to the COVID crash of March 2020, the weekly RSI for Bitcoin has only been this low once in the last 2 years. The last time being during that crash. If Bitcoin reaches peak euphoria again and we revisit the extreme grade phase following the next Bitcoin halving in 2024, we could see a new local high for the Luna price as altcoins would also increase in value. The bearish case for Terra right now is that there is lack of trust for the Luna project. Many traders still are taking advantage of the volatility and even scalp trading the Luna price. With a Luna market cap today of $1.2 billion, it has room to establish an uptrend to much higher price levels. In the short term, though, we must remain pragmatic and have our eyes set on a dollar cost averaging strategy. Technical analysis aside, a long-term holding strategy always wins. Luna price history. Just before we saw the USD crash and the huge capitulation event, after seeing hyperinflation of the Luna circulating supply, the Terra crypto was a top 10 asset trading at around $87. The Luna all-time high of $119 was set on April 5, 2022. Terraform Labs had a loyal global community before the crash. They had supposedly launched a reliable DeFi protocol that used flat-pegged stablecoin to power price-stable global payment systems. From the white paper, Terra combined price stability and a wide adoption of flat currencies with the censorship resistance of BTC, offering tremendously flat and affordable transaction settlements. Terra's native token Luna was used to stabilize the price of the pegged stablecoin. In this case, algorithm stablecoins Luna holder had the freedoms to also vote on the governance of the Terra project, making it a governance token. Hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching.